Shumba, you get on with the show. Charlie. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another exciting episode with the Shumba Lion. This time I'm not going to go nga. No, I'm just going to let you watch it. What it is really is that we are going to be showing some of our most amazing duets. Paxomedy duets, yes, and get you to laugh. Laugh is the best laughter. No, laughter is the best medicine. That's what I get, the best medicine.
¿Cómo dice usted? Do you speak English? La perita. Sí, estés mujercita, na mascarita and the remechuva.
Hey, I won an award. An award? What for? Don't ask me. Don't ask the lion what the award is for. Listen, I wasn't ready to go into this duet business, So, before we go to another duet, I'm going to show you just a film. Just something for me and you. Watch! Now, we want to see a pole dancer by the name of Spaghetti. Spaghetti! Watch. Hey, Bunny. Yeah, what's wrong with me? Huh? I meant to show you a funny film. I wasn't ready for duet. That was another duet. That is definitely a duet. Now, we need to go to this very funny film, okay? Then duets. Watch.
Hey, Olga. Look. Look at what? You mean the spaghetti? No! What then? Look behind the spaghetti. Behind spaghetti is a teapot. No! No, Olga. No what? Look behind the teapot. Behind the teapot? Yes, Olga. Oh, I can see some buttons. Olga, you crazy. That's not buttons. It is two buttons. No, Olga. Can't you see it's a monster at the back there? I don't see a monster. I can see spaghetti dancing. No, Olga, come back. Come back where? To this whole thing. You can't see a monster at the back. Come on, what's wrong with you? Oh, now I can see.
Yes.
Crazuness is a funny speciality.
I am Donald Trump. No. Ladies and gentlemen, we did that before we knew that this gentleman was going to come back. So, let's watch it again. Watch.
Oh, I am Donald Trump. I've been accused of a lot of things in court. But you know what? Stop singing. Stop singing. I say stop that silly singing. Stop this singing.
What? Wait. What?
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Thank you for watching. Now, look, before I say anything, please remember to subscribe, make comment, and do whatever you normally do to help us continue. Otherwise, right now, I'm going to allow you, I'm going to let you, I'm going to give you all these exciting duets that we do here. And are they funny? Are they funny? You find out. Now, what do I say? I say, watch.
Yours si se me quita lo pendeja.
Pero lo pendeja era el winner en su esencia, lo más profundo, puro y auténtico de su ser, por lo que lejos de quitársele, iría en mi incremento por siempre hasta el fin.
Hey, you, man. Give us a smile if you like this girl. No? Okay, give us a smile if you like this man, Mr. Bean. No? Don't you like Mr. Bean? Come on, smile. Yeah.
The name of the first Bond film was Dr. Do you know it?
No.
Dr. No.
Time to the park. Jump up and get down. Jump.
I know what the girl them want. London to Taiwan.
I know what that girl them want. London to Taiwan.
You give me the name of the standard unit of electrical power. What? A watt, correct.
Oi, Captain. What do you think you're doing behind the... What are you doing? What are you looking at? Kept it. Kept it. Kept it. I meant empty that I called you.
A legal question now. A man is released from prison because he has received the royal...
Pardon?
The royal pardon, correct. And
Darling, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. Why? You are cheating me, going out with this girl here, huh? She doesn't even look attractive. Okay, darling. How about you? I hear you're going out with that man from Paxomedy Land. Huh?
what were the last words of Ludwig van Beethoven?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
Yes, they were. Correct.
Please.
Now time for unusual dance moves.
I'm so excited. I just won an award. I've been given this award, and now I'm going to do a speech. For this, let's forget about that.
Aku cinta padamu, semua akan kulakukan demi kebahagiaanmu. Tak pernah ku keluhkan, walau rintangan menghadang.
Finally time for desserts and disasters.
This is a natural dessert. Can you really eat that? Can you eat it? How did it end up on the street? Is that a street or a road? If that is a road, what's the rain doing there? If that is the rain, what are all those colors? If those colors are a dessert, what is a natural disaster? If that is a natural disaster, how does a dessert look like? If a dessert looks like that, can you really eat it? Can you? No. With all seriousness, can you eat that?
If you have got this far, we love you as a loyal fan and one who knows what's funny. Come back and share. Thank you.